In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a tracking category in Xero step by step. Tracking categories in Xero are incredibly useful if you want to break down your financial data by department, location, project, or any custom group that makes sense for your business. This is perfect for business owners, bookkeepers, and accountants who want better reporting and clearer insights. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up your tracking categories properly. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future Xero tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your organization name. Go ahead and click on your organization name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control different aspects of your Xero organization. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you see the accounting section. Under the accounting section, look for an option called Tracking Categories. Click on Tracking Categories to open the Tracking Category Management page. Here you'll see any existing tracking categories that have already been created. If you're setting this up for the first time, this page may be empty. To create a new one, click the blue button that says Add Tracking Category. Now you'll be prompted to enter the details for your new tracking category. The first field is Tracking Category Name. This is where you type the name of your main group. For example, you might type department if you want to track different departments in your business. Other common examples could be location, project, cost center, or region. Choose a name that clearly represents how you want to organize your reporting. Next, you'll see the Category Options field. This is where you enter the specific labels within that main group. For example, if your tracking category name is department, your category options might be sales, admin, marketing, or operations. Type each option carefully. These are the individual segments you'll be able to assign to transactions later. Make sure your spelling is correct and that the names are consistent with how you want them to appear in reports. Clean naming here will make your reporting much easier to read and analyze in the future. After entering your tracking category name and all relevant category options, double-check everything to make sure it looks correct. Once you're ready, click Save. And that's it. Your new tracking category has now been added to Xero. From this point forward, you'll be able to apply this tracking category to invoices, bills, bank transactions, and other entries. This allows you to run detailed reports and filter your financial data based on the categories you've created. Tracking categories are extremely powerful because they give you deeper insight into how different parts of your business are performing, all without needing separate accounts for everything. It keeps your chart of accounts clean while still giving you detailed reporting. So just to quickly recap, click your organization name in the top left, go to Settings, scroll to Accounting, click Tracking Categories, select Add Tracking Category, enter your tracking category name, add your category options, and hit Save. If this video helped you set up tracking categories in Xero, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.